Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best CNC router tables that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. Also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the router table with stand and adjustable fence. If your budget's tight, this router table with stand and adjustable fence is a surprisingly capable pick. You're getting a 43 multiplied by 40 cm MDF surface, aluminum alloy construction, and a 3-point pressure system, 2 presses plus a feather board that keeps your workpiece from wandering. Here's the thing. The adjustable backrest slides left and right for cutter clearance and moves vertically up to 21.7 inches for different wood thicknesses. Now, assembly's required, and you'll need to punch the inverted plate yourself. Obviously, that's not for everyone. But if you're a hobbyist who wants real functionality without overspending, this earns your commitment easily. Moving on at number 4, we have the Bosch RA1141 portable benchtop router table. Bosch's RA1141 sits at the top of the router table heap for good reason. It nails what most hobbyists actually need. You're not building furniture full-time, so you don't want a router table eating your garage. This one folds flat, stores easy, and sets up fast. No assembly, no leveling headaches. The easy click mounting system drops your router in cleanly, and the laminated MDF top keeps your cuts smooth and consistent. You get dual featherboards, a tall fence, and onboard bit storage. If you want serious capability without the serious footprint, this one's obviously made for you. At number 3, we have the POWERTEC Benchtop Router Table with steel stand. Looking for the most versatile benchtop router table that won't demand a dedicated workshop? The POWERTEC 71402 gets it. You're working with a 24 multiplied by 16-inch MDF laminate top, 8 leveling points, and a CNC machined insert plate that actually sits flush. Here's the thing, that aluminum fence does real work, handling joining duties through included rods, a flip stop, and featherboard. Your router mounts without drama, supporting Bosch, DeWalt, Makita, Milwaukee, and more. Obviously, it's not a full-floor standing table, but if you want capable, compact, and genuinely thought out, this one's clearly built for you. At number 2, we have the Benchtop Portable Router Table Workbench Accessory. You're newer to routing, and this Moowood benchtop table gives you a genuinely solid starting point without overwhelming you. Here's the thing, it's built for palm routers with a 2 May 2nd 1956-inch motor diameter specifically, so don't try squeezing anything else in. Obviously, that's a real limitation, but if you own a compatible palm router, the aluminum tabletop delivers surprisingly stable, accurate cuts. The graduated back plate, safety guard, and flip chip system handle the guarding work. It clamps onto your existing workbench, weighs about 21 pounds, and stays put. If portability plus precision sounds like your situation, this one's yours. And finally, at number 1, we have the Benchtop Router Table with adjustable fence and stable support stand. Maybe you just want the most compact option on the market, and honestly, that's a completely valid place to land. Yvzuba's router table weighs under 15 pounds and fits in a package smaller than a carry-on bag. Here's the thing, you're getting an anodized aluminum adjustable fence with sliding faces and locking levers, which isn't beginner stuff. The rugged steel stand includes rubber feet that actually dampen vibration. Now, fair warning, you'll need to punch your own mounting holes to match your specific router. This one's for you if you're tight on space, but refuse to compromise on fence quality. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.